Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever opened Outlook, just hovered over an email and suddenly, boom, it's marked as read before you even clicked it. You know how annoying that can be. Well, in this video, I'll show you a quick and foolproof way to keep your Outlook emails unread until you manually open them. This guide works perfectly on the latest Outlook interface, so stick around. I promise you'll never lose track of your important messages again. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your favorite web browser and go to the Outlook login page through Microsoft 365. Click Sign In, then enter your email address and password to access your account. Once you're logged in, look to the left sidebar and click on Mail if it's not already selected. Then, move to the top right corner of your screen and click on the gear icon, which opens your settings menu. Now, scroll all the way down and click View All Outlook Settings. This is where you'll find every advanced option you need. In the new settings window, click on the Mail tab on the left and then go to Message Handling. Here's the key step. Look for the option that says Always keep items unread until opened. Enable this option. What it does is simple but powerful. It prevents Outlook from marking your emails as read when you're just scrolling or previewing them. Instead, they'll stay marked as unread until you physically click and open the message. Once you've done that, don't forget to hit Save at the bottom of the settings pane. This step is essential. If you skip it, your changes won't apply, and that's it. From now on, Outlook will only mark emails as read when you decide to open them. No more accidental reads, no more missed follow-ups. If this guide helped you, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more quick Outlook and productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.